Losing weight after 35 isn't just harder. It's different in ways most people don't realize. You might be eating the same foods, trying the same routines that worked in your 20s, and still seeing slower results or no results at all. It can feel frustrating, confusing, and sometimes even discouraging. But here's the truth. Your body hasn't stopped working. It's simply operating under a new set of rules. In this video, we're going to break down what actually changes after 35, why weight loss feels more difficult, and what you can do to work with your body instead of against it. First, let's talk about the core problem. After 35, your metabolism naturally begins to slow down. This doesn't mean it crashes overnight, but it does become less efficient. Your body starts burning fewer calories at rest, even if your lifestyle hasn't changed. At the same time, muscle mass tends to decrease gradually. Muscle is one of the most metabolically active tissues in your body. The less muscle you have, the fewer calories you burn throughout the day. Now combine those two factors, a slower metabolism and reduced muscle mass. That alone creates a situation where maintaining or losing weight requires more intention than before. But that's just the beginning. Hormones also begin to shift. For both men and women, key hormones that regulate fat storage, hunger, and energy levels start to change. Cortisol, the stress hormone, often becomes more dominant due to modern lifestyles. Higher cortisol levels are linked to increased fat storage, especially around the abdominal area. Insulin sensitivity may also decline over time. This means your body becomes less efficient at processing carbohydrates, making it easier to store excess glucose as fat. And then there's sleep. Many people over 35 experience lower sleep quality, even if they don't realize it. Poor sleep directly affects hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, increasing cravings and reducing the feeling of fullness. So now you're dealing with a slower metabolism, less muscle, hormonal changes, and possibly disrupted sleep all working together. That's why the same approach that worked years ago may no longer deliver the same results. Now let's go deeper. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to respond to this change by simply eating less and exercising more. First, that might seem logical, but in many cases it backfires. When you drastically cut calories, your body adapts by slowing your metabolism even further. It becomes more efficient at conserving energy, which makes fat loss even harder over time. At the same time, excessive cardio without proper strength training can accelerate muscle loss, making the problem worse. So instead of solving the issue, this approach often reinforces it. This is where things need to shift. After 35, weight loss becomes less about doing more and more about doing things smarter. Strength training becomes essential, not optional. Building and maintaining muscle helps support your metabolism and improves how your body uses energy. Nutrition also needs to become more intentional. Protein intake becomes more important to preserve muscle mass. Balanced meals help stabilize blood sugar levels, which supports better energy and fewer cravings. Managing stress becomes a real factor, not just a side note. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated, which can block fat loss even if everything else is in place. And sleep, often overlooked, becomes one of the most powerful tools you have. Improving sleep quality can directly impact hunger control, recovery, and overall metabolic health. Now here's the key insight that most people miss. Weight loss after 35 is not about fighting your body harder. It's about understanding how your body has changed and adjusting your strategy accordingly. When you align your habits with your current biology, progress becomes more consistent and sustainable. It may not feel as fast as it did in your 20s, but it can still be effective and often healthier in the long run. Instead of chasing quick results, the focus shifts to building a system your body can support over time. And that's where real transformation happens. So if you've been feeling stuck, it doesn't mean you're doing everything wrong. It may just mean you're using an outdated approach for a body that has evolved. The good news is, once you understand these changes, you can start making adjustments that actually work for you, not against you. To sum it up, after 35, metabolism slows, muscle mass declines, hormones shift, and recovery becomes more important. These changes make weight loss different but not impossible. With the right strategy focused on strength, balanced nutrition, stress management, and sleep, you can still make meaningful progress. Now, if you want to go deeper into this and understand exactly how to apply these principles step by step, There's something in the description that breaks this down in a simple and practical way. It connects directly to what we talked about here and can help you start building a routine that matches how your body works now. And if this kind of clear, no-nonsense explanation helps you understand your body better, subscribe to the channel. New videos come out regularly, focused on making complex health topics simple and actionable. Because once you understand the system, everything starts to make more sense and results become a lot more predictable.